This video teaches you how to create a newspaper using Microsoft Word's built-in features. Once you have an idea of what your newspaper will look like, you can create a newspaper in Word. Creating your paper. Open Microsoft Word. Click Blank Document. Add a title to your newspaper. Type in the title of your newspaper or the headline that you want to use. Start a new line. Press the Enter key to jump down to a new line. Click Layout. Click Columns. Click More Columns. Select a column number. Click the Apply to drop-down box. Click this point forward. Doing so will apply your columns to your document with the exception of your title. Click OK. This will split your Word document into 2 or more columns. Add your written content. Insert photos. Click the place in your newspaper where you want to insert a photo, then click the Insert tab. Click Pictures. Select a picture and click Insert in the bottom right corner of the window. To wrap text around the photo, click the photo, then click the Format tab. Click Wrap Text and click a Wrap Text option. Center your newspaper's title. Format your newspaper. Text font and size. Bold titles. You can shrink or enlarge your photo by clicking and dragging one of the picture's corner knobs in or out. Save your work. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.